Yes, artificial intelligence can absolutely help plumbing companies, and it is already changing how these businesses answer phones, schedule jobs, and even predict when a pipe might fail before it bursts. Think of artificial intelligence like a super smart helper that never sleeps and never gets tired of answering the same questions over and over again. When someone calls a plumbing company at 2 in the morning because their basement is flooding, an artificial intelligence-powered system can answer that call, ask the right questions, and get a plumber scheduled without waking up a real person. Some plumbing companies are now using sensors connected to artificial intelligence that sit inside pipes and water heaters, and these sensors can actually detect tiny changes in pressure or temperature that signal a leak is coming, sometimes weeks before it happens. That is something most homeowners have no idea exists yet. Another lesser-known trick is that artificial intelligence can look at old service records and figure out which customers are most likely to need a new water heater soon, so the company can reach out first instead of waiting for an emergency call. If you own a plumbing business, a simple first step is adding an artificial intelligence chat assistant to your website so it can answer basic pricing and scheduling questions any time of day. One big mistake plumbing companies make is thinking artificial intelligence will replace their skilled workers, when really it just handles the boring, repetitive stuff so plumbers can focus on actual pipes and wrenches. Another common misconception is believing these tools are too expensive or complicated for a small local business, but many entry-level systems cost less than a single missed service call would cost you. A third thing to watch out for is trusting artificial intelligence advice completely without double-checking it, since it can make mistakes with unusual or older plumbing systems, so always have a real person review anything important before it goes to a customer. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.